Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install and use the Heavy Unit Remastered and Chaff Units Remastered audio replacement mods for Helldivers 2, which redoes almost all of the different sound files for the different creatures in Helldivers 2 that you fight, so that they sound more realistic or just better quality. It's in general a good, like, well-rounded enhancement suite. So we're just going to get started. I'm going to download these two files. Each one of these just has a singular file. Both of these are an all-in-one. And then I'm also going to download and install the Helldivers 2 Mod Manager, because this is what makes the whole thing super easy. Alright, so with that downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and hop into my Mod Manager folder and extract this to a folder of the same name. And then I'm going to run the program, which is the second one from the top. It's the Helldivers 2 Mod Manager application. And then once that pops open, to get this set up and ready to accept mods, we just got to go to Settings. And then here at the top under Game Directory, we have to tell it where Helldivers 2 is installed. So to do that, we just hit these three little buttons over here. This will open up a search window asking where Helldivers 2 is. And we're going to be lazy about this. I'm going to open up Steam. I'm going to right-click Helldivers 2 and let Steam tell me where it is by going to Manage, Browse Local Files. This is where Helldivers 2 is located, so I'm just going to go to the menu bar at the top, click it, copy the address, close this window, and also Steam. And then from there, I'm going to paste this into the top of the search window. I'll hit enter, and then there is where Helldivers 2 is located, and I will click select folder. From here, I'll click OK, and now we can add our mods. So all we have to do to add these mods is go find them in my download folder, inside of the Helldivers 2 mod folder in the mods, and we're going to add the Chaff Units, and then I will also add the Heavy Units Remastered as well. And then to deploy these, all we have to do is click on Deploy, which will load these file replacements into my Helldivers 2 files. I'll just hit OK, and then from here we can hit Launch Helldivers 2.
Activating jump pack. How'd you like to taste all burrito?
So I want to say that it sounds like the audio is better for the bugs so far. I don't really have like a back-to-back comparison to compare them with, but I'm fairly certain that it is improved. I mean, things sound nice and crystal clear.
The sample should greatly aid in the war effort. Orbital inbound. UMAC, bug tunnel breach. Requesting orbital.
Terminid hive structure destroyed.
Yeah, I want to say that the bugs sound a little bit better, just in general. Yeah, actually, I could tell that the Bile Titan sounded better. I had some more sounds going on there, so that was kind of cool. Alright. So yeah, this has been the overhaul for the bug mods for Helldivers 2. I hope you found this helpful. How to install those. Most of these audio replacement mods are pretty straightforward. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've been your host, Larry, and I will catch you next time.